But I want to quickly address important earnings in the tech space where Nasdaq-listed Cognizant posted fourth quarter numbers that came in line with estimates. Key number, however, is the revenue guidance for 2013, which the company expects at 17%. Let's go across then straight to Mr. R. Chandrasekaran, Group CEO, Technology and Operations at Cognizant, who joins in to throw some more light on those numbers. Mr. Chandrasekaran, I want to start with your full year guidance, which you pegged at 17% compared to 20% for 2012. Are you deliberately being conservative by starting out with a lower number and hoping to better that?
Actually, we feel pretty good about the demand environment out there. We feel it's pretty stable, and we feel pretty good about the 17% that we have guided to. Which we believe would still be the industry-leading growth. You have to appreciate that the base also has gone up, right? We have added more than $1 billion revenue last year, so the base has gone up. So we still feel pretty good about the 17% growth that we have guided to.
Right, this guidance also includes the $90 million of revenues from acquisitions. Can you break this up, considering, you made 2 acquisitions recently?
Yeah, we did the medical acquisition, which is a US-based, managed healthcare organization with significant operations in Philippines. And medical will account for about 15 million of the revenue in 2013. And the remaining will be the remaining 77 million would be from the C1 acquisition that we have announced in Germany, which is yet to close. We expect that to close sometime in the late Q1 2013.
We're a month into the year now. How are budgets looking compared to the previous year? Any delays, and is discretionary spending coming back?
Fortunately, we find the budgets are getting closed as we expected. We are not seeing any delays. And, that gives us a sense of optimism as we look into 2013. And that's why, we have guided to 17% growth this year. So no delays in the budgets this year.
Your revenues from Europe grew about 8% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and you also made an acquisition in Germany. What's your outlook on Europe in the near term?
As we have been saying, Europe has been going through ups and downs in the recent past, and we felt pretty good at how the Q4 2012 turned out to be. So longer term, we are quite optimistic about the growth opportunities in Europe. As we announced, KPMG recently in their outsourcing survey has ranked Cognizant as the #1 in terms of customer satisfaction and relationship management. And we also announced 2 major transformation deals, one with Philips and another one with Rabobank. And we announced the front-end organization in the C1 group of companies in Germany, which will significantly enhance our presence in continental Europe. So the feedback that we are getting, the types of deals that we are winning, and the emphasis that we are placing in Europe through acquisitions, definitely, we feel very, very optimistic about the growth prospects in Europe.
Right, Mr. Chandrasekaran, a lot of people expect a pickup in regulatory spend in the US from financial services and healthcare. How is this likely to shape up according to you?
We do expect some spend, arising out of regulatory. As you know, both financial services and healthcare are the most regulated industries that we know of. So we do expect some spend come out of regulatory type of implementations or system changes. But we don't know. There could be some lumpiness in the demand, so we'll have to wait and see how it pans out this year.
We've heard mixed commentary so far from IT companies. What's your take as far as demand for this year goes?
Yeah, I feel 2013, we expect the demand environment to be stable. Right, and as I mentioned earlier, the budgets are getting finalized as we expected. So overall, we expect 2013 to be a better year, and so that's why we have given a industry-leading guidance of 17%.
2013 should be a better year. That's the word coming in from Cognizant. Mr. R. Chandrasekaran, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us from Chennai with the earnings call as far as Cognizant is concerned. I'm taking a short break here on Market Hour, but up ahead.